A new financial scandal is brewing in Broward County, this time involving a prominent and well-connected attorney. Scott Rothstein is at the center of a federal investigation, and the other partners in the law firm are now scrambling to figure out if they got tricked in the latest high-profile Ponzi scheme. As CBS 4 I-Team investigator Jim DeFede reports, this scam may have involved hundreds of millions of dollars.
Outside a Broward courtroom, attorneys circle as one of the most politically powerful law firms in South Florida is about to implode. Right now, all we know is that the money's gone, Scott's gone, and we're trying to find out what happened. It's too early to tell precisely what kind of scheme it was. The Scott he's talking about is Scott Rothstein, the high-flying, spiky-haired attorney who led the law firm Rothstein, Rosenfeld, Adler. Now that law firm he started with Stuart Rosenfeld in 2002 is coming apart.
I'm just very sad to see a beautiful thing that we built and fall apart.
When did you realize that it was starting to fall apart?
Friday afternoon.
Can you tell me how you came to realize this?
When certain people who I knew to be friends of Scott called me and told me that he had stolen money from them.
How much money are we talking about is missing?
I have no clue, but they've represented to me it's in the hundreds of millions of dollars.
Today's news is sending shockwaves through Broward County. Rothstein was a major political fundraiser for Governor Charlie Crist, John McCain, and Democrat Alex Sink. He also hired disgraced Broward Sheriff Ken Jenney to work at the law firm when Jenney got out of prison. But now it's Rothstein who's under scrutiny, with some reports saying he's fled the country.
The fact that the person who you suggest is responsible for this is nowhere to be found does not create a deadlock. If he comes in here and tells me we're at a deadlock, then we've got a deadlock. So I think you're better off waiting 24 hours.
Rosenfeld appeared before a Broward judge Monday afternoon to ask that a receiver be appointed to manage the firm, but a final decision has been put off till tomorrow.
Scott was like a brother to me. That's really all I can say, and I'm shocked and dismayed to find out what I've learned in the last few days.
I'm Jim DeFede, CBS 4 News.